The story of the first-ever artificial satellite Sputnik 1 is a tale of bold ambition, fierce rivalry, and groundbreaking science that marked the dawn of the space age. In the tense atmosphere of the 1950s Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a geopolitical rivalry that extended beyond Earth into the realm of space. Both superpowers aimed to showcase their technological and scientific prowess. The International Geophysical Year, IGY, a global scientific initiative from 1957 to 1958, offered a perfect stage for this contest. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union surprised the world by launching Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite ever to orbit the Earth. Sputnik 1 was a simple yet elegant object, a polished metal sphere just 58 centimeters, 23 inches, in diameter, weighing about 83.6 kilograms, 184 pounds. It had 4 long radio antennas that sent out distinct beeping signals, detectable by radio operators worldwide. Orbiting Earth every 96 minutes at speeds reaching 28,000 kilometers per hour, roughly 18,000 miles per hour. Sputnik 1 transmitted its signals for 22 days until its batteries ran out. The satellite continued orbiting until January 4, 1958, when it burned up re-entering the atmosphere after completing around 1,440 orbits. The launch was not just a technological milestone, it was a geopolitical shockwave. The United States had hoped to be first, but the Soviets beat them, triggering a Sputnik crisis that intensified the Cold War and started the space race. This event propelled a flurry of political, military, technical, and scientific advancements that shaped the modern era. Behind the scenes, the launch was driven by visionary Soviet rocket engineer Sergei Korolev, who proposed the satellite project in 1954 and led its development. The satellite was launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome by an R-7 rocket, itself an engineering marvel as the largest rocket at the time. Spiral networks of scientists and engineers collaborated on building the satellite's instruments and on tracking and communicating with it from Earth. Sputnik 1's unexpected success provided valuable scientific data about the Earth's upper atmosphere and the ionosphere through its orbital behavior and radio signals. More than a machine in space, it became a symbol of human ingenuity and a herald of a new era when humanity reached beyond the confines of Earth for the first time. Thus, Sputnik 1's story is one of bold dreams, intense rivalry, and groundbreaking achievement, launching not only a tiny satellite, but humanity's hopeful journey into space.